A says, B says, C says, D says, E says, F says, it's okay, G says, H says, I says, J says, K says, L says, M says, N says, O says, P says, Q says, R says, S says, T says, U says, U. It's okay, which one's U? Where's U? That's Q, R, S, T, U. See the yellow U? V says, W says, X says, Y says, and Z says,